Hello friends, in today's video I'm gonna be walking through how to make a roles channel in Discord. So first of all, open your browser and open curl.gg website and click on login with Discord. And now select the server where you want to create a roles channel. Click on continue, authorize, and ensure that you are not a robot. So as you can see, the curl bot has been added to my server. Now we need to create a roles channel, so for that click on this plus icon and give channel name roles, and make sure to select text channel and click on create channel and click on skip. Scroll down to the left hand side and click on embeds. Click on toggle color picker and select a color for your roles channel, and here you will get preview. Now enter here your roles description and click on destination, and from here you have to select roles channel and click on post. And now if I go to my server and if I click on roles channel, and as you can see, I've successfully created a roles channel here. So that's how you can do it. If this video helped you, give a thumbs up and please consider subscribe to how to do it. Thank you for watching.